How are you all? I hope you all are doing good at home. I am your pre-prep teacher Faiza and this is our PSED class. PSED means Personal, Social and Educational Development. Look what we have in our PSED class. We have to answer these questions. So let's move towards our book. In PSED class, you have to answer these questions. Your first question is, what is your name? I will give you the answer, then you will give me answer. My name is Faiza. You have to give your answer. Name the things you don't like to do. I don't like to do painting. Are you a boy or a girl? I am a girl. How do you feel when you lose something? I feel sad when I lose something. Can you show me a happy face? Yes, I can show you a happy face. How do you feel when you are calm? I feel relaxed when I am calm. How do you feel when a friend shares a toy with you? I feel very happy when a friend shares a toy with me. Why it is important to take turns with your friends? It is important because we have to control the mismanagement. What do you say when someone helps you? I will say thank you. What does it mean to follow instructions? It means when someone guides us about anything, we must follow it. Can you wait for your turn? Yes, I can wait for my turn. I have given you the answer of these all questions. You have to answer all these questions. Like I have answered you. You have to tell me what is your name. You have to tell me the things you don't like to do. You have to tell me, are you a boy or a girl? You have to answer that how you feel when you lose something. You have to answer, can you show me a happy face? Okay, now you have to answer, how do you feel when you are calm? I have given you the answer of all these questions. Now it's your turn. How do you feel when a friend shares a toy with you? You have to share the feeling. Why is it important to take turn with your friends? You have to answer this question also. What do you say when someone helps you? It's very simple. We should say thank you. So you will answer the question. What does it mean to follow the instructions? You have to answer this question. I have already told you that what does it mean to follow the instructions. Can you wait for your turn? Yes, I can wait for my turn. You have to tell that can you wait for your turn? I hope you all have understand the concept of PSED and the concept how to learn the questions. Allah Hafiz.